Hey landlords, if your tenant has moved out, this video is for you. Today I will guide you through two processes: inspect now, pay later, INPL service, and self-managed move out, so you'll know exactly what to do. Step by step, let's dive in. So how does a landlord file a claim in SPEEDHOME? If you've subscribed to SPEEDHOME's Inspect Now, Pay Later INPL service, here are the steps. Step 1, SPEEDHOME will notify you once your tenant has moved out. Step 2, we'll conduct a thorough inspection to identify damages or stolen items. Step 3, you just need to compile all outstanding utility bills and send them to us. Step 4, we coordinate with contractors to get repair quotations for you. Step 5, if required, we'll even arrange for a police report to be lodged on your behalf. Step 6, SPEEDHOME compiles all the necessary supporting documents for the claim. Step 7, we submit the claim to Allianz for you. Step 8, once Allianz processes and approves the claim, we'll notify you of the outcome. Step 9, and finally, you'll receive your claim payment from Allianz. So easy, right? And now, if you're opting for the self-managed process, here's your checklist to ensure a smooth claim submission. Step 1, first, notify SPEEDHOME once your tenant has moved out. Step 2, visit your unit, list all outstanding utility bills, and take clear photos of any damaged or stolen items. Step 3, lodge a police report at any police station in Malaysia. Step 4, arrange for a contractor to visit and provide a quotation for repair or replacement costs. Step 5, gather all supporting documents, including copies of outstanding bills, photos of damages, repair quotations, or receipts. Step 6, contact SPEEDHOME via email or WhatsApp to inform us that you wish to submit a claim. Once we receive your notification, we will send you a Dropbox link to upload all required documents and photos. Step 7, SPEEDHOME review your documents and forward them to Allianz. Step 8, once Allianz approves the claim, we'll notify you. Step 9, and finally, you'll receive your claim payment from Allianz. With a little organization, you can manage this process smoothly and get your claim settled in no time. So how long does it take for the claim to be processed? When the claim submission is less than 5,000 ringgit, the processing time is 5 working days. When claim submission is more than 5,000 ringgit, the processing time is 21 working days. Rest assured, SPEEDHOME and Allianz work as quickly as possible to resolve your claims and ensure you get reimbursed. If you have any questions or need help, reach out to us to finance@speedhome.com. Our team is committed to making your property management seamless, because at SPEEDHOME, your rental made easy.